Perfect.
All right, now that we've performed the initial surgery on these TVs, we're performing the autopsy. All right, Nicholas. Dr. Nicholas, working hard at this autopsy here to find out what's wrong with this TV.
There it is. That's what I'm talking about, buddy.
Ow.
Careful.
I need my leg.
Harder. Harder. I want you. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you're breaking in. Nicholas, if you had to say what was the problem with this TV, what do you think it is?
Your heart's all gone.
His heart's all gone?
Yeah.
Oh.
The heart of the TV, that's right.
You think it's because it had a TV attack? You know, heart attack, TV attack?
Okay, do you think it's time for Dr. Andreas to step in?
No, it's time for me.
Yeah, stop for a second. I have to perform an autopsy on it, Nicholas.
This is a complex medical procedure, Nicholas. Watch closely. And scalpel.
Nicholas, watch out. Nicholas, watch out, please.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Andreas is a master of the scalpel, as you can see. Parts of the carcass are strewn across the bit.
I gotta do one more, then you can go. One more, buddy. Watch out. Keep going. There. I think it's well diagnosed, Bob, now.
Finish it off.
Right there. Yeah. Don't throw it, buddy.
Throwing it like a tomahawk.
Don't throw it. No, don't throw it. I'm gonna take it away.
It is dangerous, Nicholas. It could bounce back at you.
If you want to throw it, you use a rock.
It's an important life lesson to teach your children. If you want to throw something, use a rock, not a hatchet.
You bet. Yeah, up, way above your head. Up above your head. There it is. That's what I'm talking about.
Good job, Nicholas. You gonna do another one?
Here, just smash this stuff right here. Smash that.
Is that the engine?
Yeah, that's like the electrical. Should I smash it or are you going to smash it? Here, Nicholas, use this rock. Here. Way up above your head and drop it right down.
Oh, I can't. Oh,
This dust. Come on. Can you use this? Okay, I'm going to smash it, Nicholas.
I can't. No, it's first me.
Okay, first you.
Yeah, there's a rock.
Okay, above your head. There you go. Now it's my turn. It's gonna go kersplat. Yeah. I think it's now done, Bob.
Is that your prognosis, Dr. Hinkle?
I think it's
Should we go
it's done
exploring
now.
now?
Time to toss it in the woods.
Inform the family members.
Yeah.
Let's find out how Carla would do it.